Welcome back everyone. I'll be showing you how I make my honey ginger black soap body wash. This body wash is made with moisturizing ingredients that help to nourish, soothe your skin, even out your skin. I'm going to show you step by step how I make this, so let's jump right in. Measurements and ingredients will be in the description box, and I will also have links where I purchased my ingredients from. And if this is your first time watching, my name is Esther and I make DIY natural hair and skincare videos, and I have a lot of other helpful DIY videos, so please check those out. I'm starting out with some black soap that I cut up into small pieces. The smaller you cut your soap, the quicker it's going to dissolve. And to this, I'm going to be adding some hot distilled water to help it dissolve quickly. So after adding the hot water, the black soap tends to clump up together. Just do your best to break it apart and mix it all in. So when you're done, just cover it up and set it aside to completely dissolve. Once dissolved, I'm going to strain the mixture. Black soap can have little particles from the ash, like the plantain ash. So I like to strain mine, so that's what I'm doing here. I'm just going to strain out the mixture so that way all those particles can be removed. I'm adding some aloe vera juice. This is rich in antioxidants and vitamins that are very nourishing for your skin. And then I'm adding some apple cider vinegar that is anti-inflammatory, and it helps to balance out the pH of your skin. So I'm just going to mix everything all in. I'm also adding some raw honey. Honey is antibacterial, antiseptic, and it's really good for your skin. So this is a great ingredient to add. So once I add that in, I'm just going to mix well. Now I'm going to add in my blend of oils. You can use any combination of oils that you like. I really like using neem oil. Neem oil has a strong smell. That's the only thing with neem oil, but it has some really good benefits for your skin, especially anti-aging benefits. So I'm going to add my oils and I'm going to mix that all in. I'm using xanthan gum to thicken up my black soap slightly. I was going for a lighter consistency, so I used a small amount of xanthan gum. You can also use guar gum, and you can definitely use more thickener if you want a thicker body wash. So I'm just mixing that all in, and I'm going to add some essential oils. That is optional. You don't have to use that in this body wash. I ended up using my whisk to mix it up some more, and I ended up with some lather, so I decided to let my mixture rest for about an hour to let some of those lather bubbles dissolve. and after an hour, this is what my consistency looked like. So it really depends on you. It depends on how thick you want your body wash to be, but you can always adjust your thickener, you can always adjust your xanthan gum or guar gum and get the consistency that you like. And if you're still needing help with making your skincare products, your DIYs, my next online class starts July 3rd. I'll leave the registration link in the description box. If you want to sign up for this class, I go over so many topics that will really help you and give you that strong background in making your products. This recipe made 15 ounces of product. I'm going to package this up in my containers and I'll show you the lather. The thing with black soap is you really don't want to do too much to it. You don't want to add too many oils. You don't want to do too much glycerin or additives because then it affects the lather of your black soap. So sometimes with black soap, the less you do, the better. So I'm going to show you the lather next, and I really hope this recipe helped and you found it useful. As always, please reach out to me in the comments with any questions that you have and I'll do my best to answer your questions. So if you've not yet tried black soap before, or you did and you didn't like the maybe dry feeling that it gave, I would recommend trying out this body wash. This is a very moisturizing body wash to try. The addition of the honey and the oils makes such a huge difference when using the black soap wash. So let me know what you think in the comments. Reach out to me there, and if you've not yet subscribed, please go on and hit the subscribe button and also turn on your notifications so that way you don't miss any new videos that I upload. And also please go on and like this video as well because that really supports me and that really helps me out. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.